I'm not growing anymore? Have you felt like this lately? So I'm currently in a retreat house here in Angono, and this retreat house has a collection of bonsais. These are supposedly big trees na ginawang miniature, and there are things that are done to it to restrict its growth. Very aesthetic, pero yun nga, bansot sila para maganda tingnan. Pero parang it's quite opposite in real life. Ayaw natin maging bonsai. Gusto nating mag-grow. And if we feel restricted and our ability to grow is hindered, parang we feel lost and we try to find a way where we would feel na nag-grow tayo. And here's the thing, growth actually happens pag nahihirapan ka. Nahihirapan ka sa trabaho mo, when you feel that the experience is new and somehow people around you are better than you. Yan, mag-grow ka kasi may matututunan ka. Kaya if you're offered something new, like a new service, or maybe a new position at work, or a new assignment, although the change may be inconvenient, it might just be the thing that will help you grow. And it's also true in our personal lives. May mga panahon talaga na very challenging yung situation. Pero you go through it kasi kailangan gawin. And when you overcome these challenges, mapapansin mo that you're gaining strength and you're growing in wisdom. Even those times that we feel like we're failing, kasi saan nga ba tayo natututo dun sa ating mga pagkakamali? Kaya wag maging bonsai and just be sitting pretty. Strive to grow according to the size that God wants you to become. In other words, grow to your fullest potential.